The biggest thing for us learning HTML is that we have to use it. We have to start learning the tags. Now, there are hundreds of them, and they really kind of depend on what I'm using them for, okay? So I could go into FreeCodeCamp, which you guys are going to have a link to be able to go to this website. Now, the first thing you guys are going to need to do is you guys are going to have to create an account. So we're going to go ahead and click on Learn, and we're going to create an account, okay? After you do that, I mean, you can view your portfolio, you could update your account settings, but once you click on Learn and you create an account, it will give you tasks that you need to do, okay? So we've talked about HTML. I gave you kind of an introduction on some of the elements. We're going to start going through these challenges, okay? So I will go through one real quick just to kind of show you. So I would go ahead and click on the first one. It's given me an introduction, basically what you just watched the videos for, talking about the elements, okay? So the text is a real good review of what we just went over and how we can use it. It is also introducing a couple additional elements. So here it's saying, so we see this right here, we can see that they use some other type of elements. Now we don't know what they are yet. That's okay. We can see kind of how it's being used. But let's go ahead and go to the first lesson. Okay, so to orient you to FreeCodeCamp, on the left-hand side, it's giving us information about what we need to do. And then we have a line break, and we have what we need to do to pass this challenge. On the bottom, it's telling us how we are doing so far. So when they are all checked off, when we run the test, then we will be good on our challenge. So on the left, it's giving information. In the middle, this is where our code would go, okay? The bottom, this is a console, and for the most part, you can use it to kind of see what output it's giving you if there is an error. On the right is seeing what is happening for that page as we're typing this up. So if I run this test, see how that showed as an X? Saying your H1 element should have the text hello world. Now when I'm reading what my challenge is, it says to pass the test in this challenge, change your H1 element's text to say hello world. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make it say hello world just exactly how it said it. I'm going to go ahead and run my test. It checked it off. I can submit and go to the next challenge. Okay, and it will just bring me to the next challenge. Okay, I have some more text. It's going to talk about different H elements, so H1 through H6, and I can start kind of using them. So this is my challenge right here, and I need to have all these checked off. I'm going to type my code. Okay, now you could, if you need some specific help and you're not in a Zoom, you could go ahead and click the Get Help. Some of them have hints. Others have a video that you could watch someone walking through and explaining. Okay? Either of those options are okay. All right? We will get into turning in this assignment later. The biggest thing is you need to get started on doing the challenges. Make sure you are logged into your account so that it will start marking them off. If you are not logged into an account, it doesn't count. Okay? All right. Good luck and have fun.